Hi, this is the POCO X6 Pro and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first we should open the settings and then tap to the wallpaper section. Here you could use the local photos, recently used, the defaults, live wallpapers, and other one. For example, I could use here one from this wallpapers, or also, for example, let's use this one. Just select the wallpaper, tap the apply button and click to select. You could also turn on or turn off the wallpaper carousel, so this means that you'll get here like the slideshow from your wallpapers. I just don't want to do that, so I'll tap only to apply. Remember, don't agree. Lock screen wallpaper applied. Let's just check, and as you could see, we just successfully changed our wallpaper. And also we got one more way how we could do that. You should just hold it for a while, then tap to the left down corner to wallpapers, and here you'll see one from the wallpapers. Just select one from them and click to apply, tap to the lock screen, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.